What's going on YouTube? In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use keyframes on audio using video editor CapCut. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. You open your CapCut, click on new project, import your video to your timeline, click on add, then you add your audio. Here your audio, increase the volume. So how to use keyframes: you click on audio, click on your keyframes, you move to your points, click on volume, you can reduce it, use the volume, then you move again, move it again, click on keyframes, you can increase it, then you move again, keyframes, let's put it at 100 right here, or let's put it at 70, then you move it again, click your keyframes, let's increase the volume, so put it again, the volume, now let's play it. So that is it. And also, if you want to avoid you clicking on keyframes, clicking it, so you can do it without clicking on keyframes. All you just have to do is when you click on your audio, you click on keyframes, then you move it to your desired point, click on volume, you can let's reduce the volume to 20, click on here, you move it again. You don't have to click on the keyframes again, just press the volume, increase it again, automatically the keyframes will appear. You reduce also, so you do it like that, so let's do it. Automatically the keyframes will appear. Now let's play it again. So that is it. And let me give you another way that you can do this to reduce the volume, increase it. If you don't want to use keyframes, or the video editor you are using does not have keyframes, all you just have to do is click on split, right here, increase the volume, put it here again, click on split, increase the volume, click on here again, click on split, click on this, click on split, reduce the volume, click on split, volume. Now let's play it. But it's not as perfect as keyframes, although I would advise you should use keyframes, not splits. It's not as perfect as keyframes. So that would be all. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Take care, guys.